Hi, I'm Jennifer Sir of the Sewing Room, and today I'm going to talk about darts and how they can be adjusted so that you can have a better fit. So I just finished this garment, and it's a cape that I made from the Decades of Style pattern. And as I was looking at it, I thought that from the side, it could use a little bit of shaping in the back. And as you can see, you might be able to see, it's got some darts back here, but it seems like it could be a little more fitted and that would be more flattering. So I'm going to show you how to increase the size of your darts for a better fit. Here we have the inside of the garment, and we have two darts that are already sewn. And all I'm going to do, I'll start off with one dart, and I pinched it in before. I'm just going to take a little bit more fullness, not a lot. I want to make sure I'm not doing anything on the back side. Maybe I'll turn it around like this. And all I'm going to do here is I'm going to make the darts just slightly longer. And I'm putting my pins in where I'm going to sew, adding about, or what I'm making the darts bigger, so I'm adding to the dart but taking away from the fullness. So what was a 3/8 inch dart is now going to become more of a 3/4 inch dart. And then I'm going to blend it into nothing at the bottom. So I really wanted the fullness more at the waist, and my waist sits up a little bit higher, so I've got that pinned right there. And then I'll repeat and mirror the same kind of pinning on the other side. So all I'll do is I'll just put them right next to each other so I can see exactly what I did and where, and repeat that. And you can mark it with a water-soluble marker as well before you pin it and stitch it. Looks like that one's a little wider, so I'm just trying to get exactly the same amount as it is on the other side. And then I'll blend it in to the bottom here. And I'll take my handy ruler and just measure to make sure I'm getting the right. So that's actually 5/8 right there, and 5/8 right there. We have a half right here and a half right there. I have a half total here, and at this point, oops, I need to make that a little bit deeper right in here, and so I get the exact same amount. We don't want to be uneven side to side, unless of course we do, and that's a whole different conversation. So these are looking pretty good. I'm going to take it over to the machine and stitch it. So now I'm getting ready to pin or to sew my dart that I created with my pins. I'm going to sew down the line of pins to increase the size of my dart. So I start at the top, and I just take those pins out as I go. I'm sewing along the pin line and removing the pins, trying to keep in line with where the pins were. As I get down to the bottom, then I'm just blending into nothing. And I'll repeat on the other side. Here's the finished cape. It's a really quick little fix. to give you a slimmer shape through the middle, and I'm very happy with how it turned out. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe. It really helps us out.